DJM TV.
Appeal court don knack victory unto Governor Godwin Obaseki. Wonderful country people, how una dey inside this time? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when it be say the time be now, when it be say una take the look us on top our day-to-day tori informative yarns on top our sabi TV station when be DJM TV. Na me una sabi country brother Stanley Okocha. Na me wan still knack una the hot informate when it be say e dey shele on top this time for inside Nigeria. The appeal court when they sit down for inside Abuja don knack victory on top the body of the governor of Edo State. When him name be Mr. Godwin Obaseki, sake of say the court yarn say the governor not forge him certificate when him take contest the 2020 governorship vote for inside Edo State. The Court of Appeal members knack their judgment today on top the matter when get the matter number when be CA/ABJ/CV/71/2021 when go concern the All Progressive Congress when it be APC and another and Godwin Obaseki and two others. The court of members when it be say their name be Honorable Justice Stephen Ada JCA PJ, Honorable Justice Ige JCA and Honorable Justice Mohammed Mustafa JCA. Yan say the junior court no make mistake at all for the judgment when it be say them give when the first thing knack Obaseki victory sake of say the plaintiff and their witness no fit pin Obaseki down say him forge him certificate when him take contest for the Edo 2020 vote for governor of the state. The justice them come here and say the junior court do correct work and their judgment dey clear just as them yarn join say the plaintiff no do too well at all sake of say them no fit provement any of their case. As the justice them yarn the judgment for their own mouth, all the things when the junior court judges find for the matter no get for fault at all. Like that, the Court of Appeal justice them come throw away the appeal matter sake of say e no go dey weller and so come raise the judgment when e be say the Federal High Court first give. The appeal court come still knack 250,000 pogri on top APC when be All Progressive Congress as pogri when e be say dem go pay give Governor Godwin Obaseki and 50,000 naira each to the other two people when e be say dem be the second and the third respond people for inside the matter. They come join say the matter as e be come be like say the APC when be All Progressive Congress come waste the court time and even the people when be say they carry come the court sake of say they go carry matter when e be say e no get head e no get tail come put for their front and sake of that they go prepare all this program when e be say they don knack put for their body. Sake of the time when e be say they come waste them when be judges to come dey chook mouth and chook eye and chook hand put for the matter when e be say e no get head when they bring come their front. Inside the matter, Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn the mind sake of the appeal court judgment when favour am. He come hail the judgment as him yarn for him mouth. The judgment today for the appeal court when sit down for Abuja na big victory for democracy, equal, fairness and justice. The judgment give big hope say the judiciary no dey do partial. The bone when e dey inside the judgment before all the Edo people know say truth not first day the matter and dem know say na bad mind na in the people when e be say dem carry the matter go the appeal court take carry am go there. For the governor mouth again, the judgment today give coolele mind as the judiciary don raise the truth and wetin the Edo people yarn for inside the Edo governorship 2020 vote when e be say all of them knack am for him back as their governor for the next 4 years when e be say him don dey pursue dey go so, but some people no want make e be say the Edo people enjoy wetin they work for sake of the vote when e be say dem give me as their governor for that vote day. Still on top of the matter, the Edo State House of Assembly Speaker when him name be Right Honourable Ambassador Marcus Onabun don allow the governor of the state sake of the victory when e be say the governor get for the Federal Court of Appeal when sit down for inside Abuja. For a message when e be say na the speaker backman for tori pipo matter when im name be Ambassador Ayemere Michael informate Honourable Onabun come praise Governor Obaseki and come still pray for the governor sake of say e dey bring better things for Edo people. For the Allah message, as Honourable Onabun write am, Your Excellency, I allow you sake of the big victory when e be say you get for the Court of Appeal today for inside Abuja. The victory come for the time when e be say you get plenty things when e be say you don do for we state when be the heartbeat of we country, Nigeria. Na small e don take waka live 4 years when you take sit down for the governor seat to drive the ship of we state for inside one kind way when e be say everybody for inside the state dey sing your praise for all the things when e be say you dey do even as all the godfathers when e be say dem dey for inside the state come dey shake and come dey hide their head for shame sake of say dem no get anything when e be say dem fit do again against you, and so therefore dem come be dey try to see how dem go take use court take remove you with wayo way, but sake of say the God when e be say e stand with you when they always win sake of the way your name dey when be Godwin, you come dey always dey get victory over them. All the things when you don do so far na big signboard for the things when e be say you get to still do for Edo people. We never get am good like this before. The speaker come right join for the message say your correct and smooth work when you dey work with us for inside the State House of Assembly na something when e be say we go praise you for. Your style when e be say you take the run government na gbangba sake of say you give the legislature full free hand to take do the work when e be say the constitution give us to dey do. Sake of that one, e good make e be say we must to dey yarn your name about all the things when e be say you dey do. So Your Excellency Mr. Governor, on behalf of myself and the members of the house, I congratulate you for the victory. Inside another matter when still shele for inside Nigeria today, one lecturer when e be say im dey work for inside the Igbinedion University when dey for inside Okada for inside Edo State don cry come out sake of the way nama people come take over everywhere for inside the school. The lecturer when e no want make we yarn im name come out for inside this video come dey yarn for inside one tori video when e be say e dey waka for inside the social media siriri werere come yarn say nama don become first citizens for inside Nigeria and nama people don become commander-in-chief for inside Nigeria sake of the way be say dem come take full ground yakata for inside the school. Make we show una the video, make una hear am and see am as our tori man take bring am come for inside we studio.
These are citizens of Federal Republic of Nigeria. You can see the commander-in-chief. That's the one going. That's Buhari's brother. He can be president tomorrow. Take note of him. Oh. They are here in front of Law College. That's our Law College. This is College of Arts and Social Sciences. That's the signboard of International Relations and Strategic Studies. This is the one for Political Science. So they are going now towards the parking lot. Citizens, Federal Republic of Nigeria. They are everywhere. Yes, Buhari has given them license to move around. We have been told, move anywhere. Nobody has the right to say you should not go anywhere. Including these cows are privileged cows. See them. You are waiting for me, sir. I'm not after you. At least I too have the right of passage. Commander-in-Chief, well done, oh. Well done. Well done.
Country people, with that story video, now our story for break leg for this time again. We want thank una on top the time when busy una don't take the look or since, and we want still beg una make una like, make una share, make una comment, make una subscribe, and make una touch the notification bell on top the subscription una go don do as una watch this video. We want still beg una when they do business for inside Nigeria, say we dey get advertisement when we dey do for country people when e be say they get business and service to give country people for inside Nigeria. So if you be one of them, make you bracket us and make you give us the information concerning that your product and that your service when you say you dey give inside Naija, so that we go help you knack and come out for country people, and they go come know where your business center dey, and they go come dey run dey do business with you, and your business go dey go siri where, and your back as go dey full join as the agreement go dey come go always dey enter. Until next time we go come on our way again with ogbonge tori wey go don dey shele for inside that time. My name still remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. We thank una una well done.
That I feel the Charlie boy. What is that Charlie boy? So Mumu don't too much. Charlie boy, now Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise? You are a Mumu man. You are a Mumu man. And then throw the tear gas if something way bad for this issue. We just pray. They say our Mumu done too much, our Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, they call other people Mumu. They never show you say you be Mumu. Nigeria is not for Desani. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Good Luck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Ogbasara Alawediabal. It's not for us. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Eh? Charlie Boy? Good Luck Jonathan. He want to be America, we know. Who is America? No be small North Korea, they knock America here, knock America there. What America don't do, America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a military school with our money. Instead of this, they go Zingero, they go this place. Now, even road to go to a cannot day. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind. This
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.